Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above the $2.40 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.40, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, so this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader term time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 240 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to talk about resistance because they really just don't matter right now. What do I mean by doesn't matter? Well, what matters is what the chart has already been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, when you focus on where the lows have been, so you had this low right here, then you had that low right there, and then you had these consolidation lows right here. Then you had some lows right there and some lows right there. Hopefully I'm kind of annoying you, and you had some lows right there. Now picture each one of those as stair steps. What are the stair steps doing? Well, the stair steps are very clearly progressing in the upwards direction. So my point is this: as long as the price continues to build higher bases, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away with those higher lows and healthy consolidations, and then you can just sit back and enjoy the trend and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.